Have you ever wanted to prove something without revealing any additional information? That's the power of zero-knowledge proofs. In this video, we'll demystify what they are and why they matter. Zero-knowledge proofs are a fascinating cryptographic method allowing one party, the prover, to prove to another party, the verifier, that they know or possess certain information without revealing the information itself. Essentially, it's a way to say, I know this secret, without showing what the secret is. They are critical for privacy and security. They enable transactions and authentications without exposing sensitive details. To grasp ZKPs, let's break down the core ideas: the prover, the verifier, and the interaction between them. The prover has the secret and wants to prove they know it. The verifier wants to be convinced without learning the secret. Zero-knowledge proofs must satisfy three properties: completeness, soundness, and zero knowledge. To illustrate, let's imagine a simplified scenario that helps us grasp the basics of how these proofs can work in practice. Consider the famous Alibaba's cave story. It's a great analogy for understanding zero knowledge without technical jargon. Visually, think of it as demonstrating you can go through a specific door without revealing the secret password to open it. ZKPs have diverse applications in digital security and privacy across various fields. They can authenticate users without sharing credentials, significantly enhancing privacy and security. In blockchain, they can enable private transactions and scalability while maintaining security. ZKPs can also facilitate secure data sharing, where only validated queries receive responses, without revealing the entire database. In summary, zero-knowledge proofs are an essential cryptographic tool for ensuring privacy and security in the digital age. As technology advances, ZKPs will play a vital role in building more secure and privacy-preserving systems.